Good morning this Monday, the 17th of July. I'm Grady Wolf, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street closed mixed on Friday as earnings season kicked off in the US, with a few big names posting better than expected results. This reporting period is particularly important in the eye of the investor, as to see how well US companies have performed during the high inflation, high interest rate environment. The Dow Jones rose 0.33% on Friday, while the S&P 500 fell 0.1% and the tech-heavy Nasdaq lost 0.18% on Friday. For the week though, the three key indices posted gains, with the Dow Jones adding 2.3%, the S&P 500 rising 2.4% and the Nasdaq adding 3.3%. UnitedHealth shares jumped more than 7% on Friday after the insurance company reported better than expected adjusted earnings and revenue for the first half. JPMorgan Chase also rose 0.6% after the company's second quarter earnings also topped expectations. Over in Europe, markets ended a 5-session winning streak on Friday, with most closing lower, weighed down by sell-offs in oil and gas and mining stocks. Investors had last week been assessing data out of the UK, indicating wages grew by 7.3% in the 3 months to May, which is a significant concern for the Bank of England as it tackles the worst inflation among the group of 7 nations, including the US, Canada and France, among others. The Stoxx 600 lost 0.1% on Friday. Germany's DAX fell 0.22%, the French CAC added 0.06%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 fell 0.08%. Locally on Friday, the key index rose 0.78%, driven by a rally for none other than the technology sector, with the sector adding 1.68%, while communication services and materials stocks also had a strong session, with each of the sectors adding 1.66% and 1.35% respectively. Telix Pharmaceuticals rose 5.33% on Friday, despite no price-sensitive news out of the company, while Netwealth Group fell 5.4%, likely due to investors taking profits from the release of the company's quarterly update, including a record level of funds under administration. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading 0.67% lower at $74.91 a barrel. Uranium is down 0.45% at $55.40 a pound. Gold is down 0.3% at $1,954 an ounce, and iron ore is up 4% at $117 a ton. One Aussie dollar is buying 68 US cents, 94.88 Japanese yen, 52.46 British pence, and one New Zealand dollar and 7 cents. Ahead of the local trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are anticipating the local index to open 0.03% lower to start the new trading week. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has decreased the 12-month price target on RMA Global from 21 cents per share to 18 cents per share and maintain a speculative buy rating on the company on the emerging digital marketing business for real estate agents company, following the release of the company's Q4 update for FY23, including US claimed profiles growing to 259,000, US reviews increasing to 722,000, and subscription revenue of $3.6 million. The reason for the decrease in price target is due to Bell Potter analysts expecting US subscriber volumes to moderate due to the ongoing heightened interest rate environment. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Woodside Energy following the formation of a pattern over a period of 272 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of $36.28 to the range of $45 to $47, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for today. I hope you have a great Monday, and as always, happy investing.